So let's slow the conversation down and go back through some of the progression there, and give some business advice and just some life advice also. Uh, Tell us about some of the years and well, I mean, you're still doing it, but the years and some of the experiences in the used car sales, and what are some of the business advice and things that you learned that you would like to share to the audience?
Well, I started working for a dealer when I was 18, actually, and then I got out of it for a while. But at 30, I opened my own used car lot, and I had a warranty company that I was doing business with, and I just believe in doing the right thing. If there's a short end of the stick, take it, muster it, eat it, work through it. Um, and that's what I've always done. Just do the right things, and that's why I was really successful in a business that has a bad name. I always and I still tell my kids, your name is the only thing you cannot buy. Your reputation, you can't buy it. You can't, no matter how much money or what you have. You have to. Your name means everything. So value it, do the right things, and that's what we try to live by still.